It is a time and a half, isn't it? For you guys to list at this stage in the platinum cycle, you've got to be brave. But tell us what the reasons are.
The outward appearances, it's a very tough time. But you know, we certainly believe that we've seen the bottom of the platinum market already, and we're on the up from here. And we think it's a very good time for us to list the company in terms of the investors that are going to come into it, rather than listing at the top and then having disappointed investors 2 years later. There are a number of other reasons why we listed. We started this process in September last year. We approached Winston Floquet of Flagship Asset Management for capital, and he suggested that we reverse into his listed cash shell New Corp Capital, of which he owned 38%. The cash shell provided us with a spread of shareholders, it provided us with some cash, and the process has taken, yes, a little bit longer than we expected, but we are finally there, so it is a big day for us. We've got 5 project areas. They're all situated on the western limb of the Bushveld, which is the better address to have. Your platinum palladium ratio is generally 2 to 1. Infrastructure is very good. It's closer to Johannesburg as well, which is good from a management point of view. They are all containing platinum reefs from our knowledge of the geology. We've intersected platinum on 2 of those properties already. On one of the properties we also have the rights to the vanadium and iron ore. It's right next door to the Evraz Vametco mine near Brits, so we believe that will come to fruition. Unfortunately, we do have some litigation on that property at the moment. But on 3 of the other properties, the vanadium and iron ore is also present, and we have applications in with the Department of Minerals for those. So we think the company has got good prospects on the platinum side, and also additional value add that will come from the magnetite and vanadium.
Are you preparing to sell this at some stage, or are you people in the mining game?
We want to take this company up the value curve and develop it to the best value for shareholders. If that means selling it at some stage, then we shall do so. That'll be a decision for the shareholders. But the idea is to start mines. We're still in the exploration phase. It's probably going to be another 2 years or so, developing and drilling out those deposits to where one could start a bankable feasibility study. Developing a platinum mine from there could take as much as another 5 years, if not 7 years. Typically, mines take quite a while to develop. But in terms of the vanadium and iron ore, that could be a lot quicker because that's sitting on surface and one could develop open pit operations from those. We think we will gradually add value to this company over the course of the next couple of years. The market capitalization of the company on listing will be in the region of 200 million rand.
We don't have a large workforce. We've got 16 employees altogether. We are exploring, we are doing exploration drilling, we're proving up the ore bodies on our properties. So we don't have to contend with the labour issues that are prevalent in the market at the moment.
We've intersected platinum on the Abrina project and the Klipfontein project. On the Klipfontein property, we have a joint venture partner in Platinum Group Metals, who's represented here by Mike Wasserval. We have Andrew Kumani here from Kovoi Trade Invest, who's our partner on the bank project. We also have the rights to the vanadium and iron ore, the magnetite reef, on the Syferfontein project. That unfortunately is subject to some litigation. On 3 of the other properties we also have the presence of the vanadium and magnetite, and we are looking to develop those.